Yes, sir. What's good, YouTube? This your boy Nicholas Beatmaker, and I'm back with another video. So, Sia makes beat sent me a beat, on WhatsApp, and I was like trying to listen to it, and I thought maybe I could import it to flstudiomobile, and I play it for y'all because Sia makes beats is really underrated, and bro has been cooking some good stuff, honestly, and we should give credit when credit is due. And I feel like you guys should tell me what you think about this beat. So like, shout out to Sia Max Peace, bro. Shout out to Sia, bro. I see what you're doing, and I hope you can grow and grow bigger because you're the best when it comes to beat making. And let me play the beat for you guys. See ya, Max Beats. So let me play the beat, and then you will tell me what you think about the beat. Cause honestly, it comes for me. It's a 10 out of 10, bro. And I feel like bro went crazy on this beat. Okay. And another thing, I like checking other producers' work when it comes to mixing and mastering, how they mix and master their own beats. So this is the beat which I'm gonna play for you guys. I can't take the credit for making the beat. I'd never made a beat. I never made this beat. He just sent me the beat, and I feel like it's dope, man. And I can share it to the community so that they can get to know more about the person who made the beat, and that is CMX Beats. He got a YouTube channel, is growing his own content, and I like that. As a music producer, I'm also growing my own content. And shout out to all music producers, upcoming music producers like CMX Beats, bro, to the moon. Let me play the beat for you guys, and you will tell us what you think about this joint. Oh my god, yo man, I'm telling you, bro is talented. Bro got the style, got the sauce, got the flavor, and he got he got the roots for a trapper, a trap beat maker. It's smart, bro. Like, it's very intelligent when it comes to beat making. Let me repeat this stuff. And what I noticed is the fact that when I checked this beat on the FX analyzer, it's playing minus 30 decibels, almost above a little bit, or between minus 20 and 30 decibels. But the 808 is just minus 30 decibels going down to minus 40, minus 50. So it's not above minus 30 decibels, which is good. And all my mixing and mastering is almost at that level. So shout out to CMX Beats. Yeah, man, yo, man, you're good, bro. Yo, man, the bass is hitting at a nice way. Like, yeah, I can't believe bro made the beat, honestly. Yo, man, even if I have to master this beat, like what can I do on this beat, bro? This one is already a fire beat, bro. Like the way he arranged the beat, the way, like, bro, how do you make such stuff, bro? Bro, I was talking to bro CMX Beats. He told me he does not have a TikTok account, bro. People need to hear this, bro. Make a TikTok account, bro. Yes, YouTube. Yes, I like your YouTube channel is growing, like mine, but uh, bro, people need to hear this is hard, bro. If we can get a crazy rapper like baby Cash OG, like on these beats, you understand? Okay, or something I realized is there is this other sound, you know. The beat is fire, but there is this other sound with the highs, too much highs. I think is the, like, tss, tss, tss. I think it's the open head or something. Uh, eh, open head. Like, that's the only thing I noticed. The open head is louder because I'm checking the FX analyzer and I see it's playing almost minus 12 decibels. So now let's just open the multi-band compressor and try to see what is happening on the highs. Okay, okay, okay. I see. When it comes to mastering, I see what you do, what you did there, and it's so good, man. Because everything is playing below the threshold line. The lows is playing below the threshold line. I see, and the highs. It's a good beat, to be honest. It's a good beat. It's a good beat. I think it's how many minutes this beat? Project length 2 minutes 9 second. Okay, 2 minutes 9 second. Okay, okay, okay. Time spent on project 2 hour 7. Bro, project started. Bro, I okay. Never mind. CMX, CMX beats. Shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out. This beat is fire. No cap, no cap, no cap.